What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And there's a St. Patrick's Day update. By the way, okay, I'm done changing my avatar. This is my final decision. So, I won't change it anymore. I don't know what's in there. Oh no, wait, this is back. Where is the fish? Huh? Where's the fish? Oh. No. So that's back. Okay. Mobots assemble. Oh, nah. Mickey Mouse shirt? Fungi? Yeah, this is goofy. Okay. How much is everything? First we have this ninja set, I guess. Then we have the bomb. What the? Why am I? This go together, I guess. A free badge. That's pretty cool. Hello. Oh yeah. Hello. I'll get this. Wait, how do I do it? Okay. Wait, okay. Hey guys. Wait, how you doing? This sucks. Kill him. Anyone like that? Ooh, I said, ooh, dang, that sucks. This sucks. So done with Mickey. I don't want to check that out. What'd I get? Yay! Oh dang, that scared me. Let's do. Oh shoot! What is that? Alright, if you buy this, the mushroom thing, a hat, a dress, Mickey finger, whatever this goofy out thing is. Ooh, that. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all for that. Now Flash. Oh my god, they brought the furry back. Ooh, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, I don't need to check that out. I've got that right here. We have to check this out again. I already got that for free. I got that. Don't 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 got that. Okay, now Bumblebee's the beehive back. Oh, sorry. Wait. Wait, where's the fish? Oh, oh. Oh, man, this. Shoot, I lost all of it. That's cool. Yeah, it's a shrimp. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Wait a minute. I have a very good idea. Don't. They're singing Miku, Miku, Miku. Don't look at me, not doing anything. Meow. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. Just never do that again, please. Mama, I'm Sigma rising on rising things that. Oh no, I'm showing my brain. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. The golden cross. Yes. That. The plunger thing. Bam 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 Berluge. That's. Oh, I love this. Oh, I got. I am the king. I am very mad. No. I am the king. I'm mad. I am the queen. I am mad. What did I do? I'm just a little villager. I am your father. No. Alright. Tin pot. Yeah, I can't buy this because if I play with this, it's gonna be bad because I record off my Oculus. Yeah, I mean, I saw that. I think that's the update, but there's still more. Yeah, I don't want to check out that. Ooh, the daily vote. Public, easy is scary. Public speaking is scary, chat. Scary. Like, was there a new map? To go. What the? Oh my god, I can't. Yippee! Okay. I don't think nothing's different. And I remember there's like a skate park map from last time. I don't play as much as I used to. So I'm not very good. Oh. Here. If I get 10 likes on this video, I'll do a bunch of infection. I'll do a long vid about infection. And I'm gonna try to be good at growth tech for once. Cause I'm dookie, chat, literally. What our basement changed? Okay, forgot about you, basement. Still that. Wait, is this 3? Wait, what the is that? Oh. Yeah, nothing different in basement. Basement's very fun. That's for roleplay or something. Oh. Okay, let's go check out. See the maps if we've changed. Let's go canyons. Canyons used to be our favorite map. Ooh, okay. I see you. I love doing this. To go. Boom, boom. Ah. I'm gonna get up there. Get out. Yeah. Oh, nothing really different, but I love this part. Dang. Ow. No. So, I'm gonna check out forest. Okay. So, oh yeah, that's so. The pond is back. Let's do some guardian check. Guardian's kind of fun. Where's the fishy? Where's the fishy balls? Oh, I want to check out beach. Fishies? Oh, the fishies. Wait, why are they not coming to me? Why is there no fish? Man, I feel like I've been playing this game for too long. So Girl Tag's been out for like 4 years. They're saying it was like 2 years. So, oh, wait, I'll do it the easier way. Not easier, but there. A beach. Looks like beach. No. Dang it. Oh. I am tired. No. Oh, the shark. Most likely. That cage still in there? Yeah. Chat, is it only me, but did you forget about the new clouds? Not gonna lie, I like the old clouds. Clouds is actually kind of fun. Only the good people go to hate it because they had too many obstacle courses. For me, it was pretty fun. And that one is just kind of. Let me check out clouds. Anyway, but wait. Where's all water? Okay. It's so low. Ah! Wow. Yeah, I'm not sure like clouds is gonna be that fun. But chat, this hasn't changed. I don't think it's changed. No. Oh, this isn't busy, huh? Nothing changed. Well, I think that's it. Oh yeah, I forgot something. It was like a Jamie and Curly video about something. You said that there's a floor's lava. Let me try to do floor's lava. If I do it, it's gonna be crazy. Okay. Lava cave. Where's lava cave? No, wait, no. We'll go back. Where is it? And crawl space is crazy. Well, chaos. Monkey wall, big T. I can't find it. So let me go back. Well, I think that's it for today. So, hope you liked the video and see ya.